The aim of our project is to analyze different metric learning algorithms. There are various learning algorithms like K-means, KNN that use distance function for their computation. The basic idea of any metric learning algorithm is to find the most suitable distance function for a given dataset. There is a group of algorithms that consider generalized Malevich distance function, which is given by this. And these algorithms try to find the matrix A by using some objective function and some constraints. One such algorithm is Zink's algorithm that tries to maximize the sum of the distances between dissimilar classes while putting a constraint on the sum of distances between similar classes. So in our study, we have used this Zink's algorithm to find a suitable distance measure for a given data set. And we have used that data distance function for KNN and K-means. Now we will run Zink's algorithm on Wine dataset to compute A matrix. So this is the Zink's algorithm. So it is computing A matrix. Okay, so we can see A matrix generated by Zink's algorithm is this. So now we will use this A matrix to compute KNN. So we can see the accuracy is coming out to be 0.911. So now Zink's algorithm is restricted to learning only the linear distances between the data points. But in real life, data points may not be always linearly separable. So we propose a slight modification in Zink's algorithm. Before applying Zink's algorithm, we will transform the data points to a nonlinear space using this transformation. So this method will perform well in those cases where data points are not linearly separable. We have tried to apply above two algorithms on three different data sets and results are as follows. So this is the three algorithm Euclidean, Mahalanobis and nonlinear performed on three different data sets Wine, Iris and Bell scale. And the algorithm after computing the distance metric, learning distance metric using this algorithm, we performed k-means and these are the adjusted rand index values of the corresponding algorithms. Similarly, we applied on KNN and the accuracy coming out to be this. The code is available on this link. You can download it from here. Thank you.